Sandra Kumar.
To our distinguished guest, Mr. Berchi, the Deputy Director of Air Conditioner and B2B Business, Ms. Shei-Yu Xiaoling, Deputy Director of Marketing, Mr. Joseph Services, Brand Manager, and Mr. Tony Tam, the Director of Service. And of course, from DESDA, we have Director De La Lama, and Mr. Eugene of the RTC NCL. Of course, all our colleagues here in DESDA and from the TCL, and of course, from our media friends from media. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. First of all, in behalf of DESDA NCR Regional Director, I'd like to congratulate both the TCL and the NCR Regional Training Center for the meaningful partnership that we have this afternoon. This will truly benefit our constituents, not just in the National Capital Region, but of course from all other provinces all over the Philippines. Maraming salamat sa inyo for this, for the equipment that you have donated, and for the possibility that you have created for all our kababayans. Sabi ko nga, not just in NCR, but from all over the Philippines, because this is our national capital region. And the National Training Center is our prime training center in the Philippines, actually, not just in this region. So I'd like to commend the TCL for opening their doors that will help a lot of people. For them, not just to learn, but to thrive and be able to know the skills that are needed by the industry as of now. We will be through this training that you will be offering, you'll be able to address the gap between the skills and what are the needed skills of the industry. Thank you so much for this. And of course, to the National Training, to the NCR Training Center, the Regional Training Center, I'd like to commend you because you have opened also your doors to be able to partner with TCL. Of course, TCL is a known brand, not just in the Philippines, but in the whole world. So, congratulations for all of you. And as we've seen, we also received some of the donations from the TCL. This shows that you not only think of the skills, but you think of how do you call this? You think of the people, the trainees, for their comfort, not just for the skills, but of course for their comfort and for their dignity. If they have this kind of equipment, they will at least feel a sense of dignity while they are learning. So that means they will thrive in whatever they choose to learn, or in whatever skills they choose to learn. Thank you so much for this, and I hope that this partnership will be a model of what government and the private sector will be able to accomplish when we do things together. So congratulations, and